If you need to add a circuit and make a hole in a box, you'll need the Klein Tools Knockout punch set. Now this set makes a clean hole in up to 10 gauge mild steel. Now here's what the set contains. It contains 2 draw studs. There's a 3/8 inch diameter and there's a 3/4 inch diameter. It also has 6 punch and die sets, a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1.25 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch. It also has a 1 inch ratcheting wrench. Now here's how the system works. Simply drill a pilot hole in the material that you're going to make a hole. We recommend using a step drill bit. The next thing you need to do is take your draw stud with your die, insert that in the hole that you just made. On the opposite side of the material, take your punch and thread that on. Thread it till it's tight on the material. Hand tightening is just fine. The next thing you're going to do is take your 1 inch ratcheting wrench. Make sure that the on is facing towards you, and you're simply going to ratchet down the wrench until you pull the punch through the material. Once you pull the punch through the material, you've created your hole. You can unthread it. Once you unthread it, you'll notice that the slug is split for easy removal. Now all the pieces are conveniently stored in this carrying case.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.